Step 1. Fill in the application form. Go to the official website Study in Egypt. Create an account. When that is done, you can begin your application for higher secondary education. For more information on how to fill out the form, you can check out our detailed video mentioned in the description below.
Step 2. Send your documents for attestation at Ministry of Foreign Affairs in your country, Ministry of Education in your country, and Embassy of Egypt in your country.
Step 3. Receiving your initial nomination and applying for a visa. After receiving your initial nomination, make the required payments on the website. Once the payments are completed, visit the Embassy of Egypt in your country and apply for your visa. After receiving the visa, you can move on to the next step.
Step 4. What are you waiting for? It's your time to fly to Egypt.
Step 5. Submit your documents. Your first day can be used for rest unless you have enough time and energy to submit your documents immediately. The attested document must be submitted at the international sector of Enshams University. Once you arrive, go to the second floor and head to the counter labeled as Faculty of Medicine at Enshams University. After submission, you need to wait approximately 5 to 7 days to receive your final acceptance letter, also known as the IFADA. Keep checking your account on Study in Egypt website to stay updated regarding your final acceptance letter.
Step 6. Receiving your medical invoice. Join the Telegram group for your badge in order to receive the latest information by the International Students Office. After receiving your final statement letter, also known as the IFADA, your name will be listed and sent on the Telegram group by the International Students Office, entailing that your medical reports are ready and you will have to collect it in person.
Step 7. Pay the medical services. Go to the nearest Arab African International Bank and pay your medical services. After completing that, you can submit your receipt to the ISO office.
Step 8. Completing your medical tests. Go to Dimardash Hospital. Complete your medical test. After you're done with the medical test, you may return home. The test results will be sent directly to the International Students Office.
Step 9. Receive your semester fee invoice. Once done with the medical test, go to ISO and complete your paperwork to apply for the invoice for the semester fee. You will be notified on the Telegram group once it's ready. Make sure to get 3 copies of the invoice.
Step 10. Pay your semester fee. It is now time to pay your semester fee. All university payments are made through Arab African International Bank. Make sure to carry extra US dollar in cash if the notes get rejected. Make sure that your US dollar are clean, crisp, free of ink mark or creases or any sign of physical damage. After making your payment, please make sure to have at least 3 copies of your receipt.
Step 11. Submit your payment receipt. Now we are almost at the end of your admission process. Submit your payment receipt along with a copy of your invoice at International Students Account Counter at Faculty of Arts. After submission, you're done for the day and your semester fees has been paid for the good.
Step 12. Collecting your student ID. Congratulations, we have finally reached the last step. All you need to do now is visit the International Students Office and collect your student ID number and student ID card.